show you the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.